Well, it is Friday, September 12th, 2008, and here in northwest Harris County. And here is the latest satellite image of Hurricane Ike coming towards the Houston area. As you can see, it continues to head this direction, and we are right about here, so right in the path of that storm. So going to be a long day, I think, for us here in the Houston area. One thing about a hurricane, whenever it comes in, before it comes in, it's always very sunny, which is very strange. It always gives you kind of a false sense of security. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and still very sunny outside, but the wind is starting to pick up a little bit. I hear people putting up plywood to cover their windows, things like that. We have not done that. So, the calm before the storm. Well, as we get ready, we do have some preparations. We have our emergency supply tote over there. We have our portable air conditioner right there. And out here, Mustang is in the garage, batting down the hatches with some other stuff, and the generator ready to go. So we'll have to wait and see if we need those things. Hopefully it'll be a quiet day. We'll see.